Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Lovely Kia Sportage 1.7 CRDi, EcoDynamics 2, two-wheel drive, Euro 6 start-stop ULEZ compliant, £4,695. Seems cheap. Right, this has just had, they suffer with the SYNCHRO'S in the gearbox, start to crunch in and out of gears. These have been replaced recently with the bill. Okay, 111,000 miles, got great service history. Drives absolutely spot on. Got a panoramic roof, which I've just opened so that you can see that it's got a panoramic roof. Well, I've just opened it slightly. It does slide all the way back. Glass pan roof. I think it's got half leather seats. £4,695. What's a lovely ULEZ compliant small SUV or medium-sized SUV. Really like this car for that money. Seems too cheap to me. Has got very good service history. 10, 20, 26, 46, 50, 57, 60 odd. Goes on and on and on. Lovely service history. A little bit of corrosion on the wheels, but I see there's new decent pads on the back. Very, very, very nice. On the bodywork, as I say, pan roof, which I have opened, it does slide right back. Inside half leather trim, electric windows, electric mirrors, multi-function steering wheel, and it's got Bluetooth voice control. Can connect your auxiliary and DAB and Bluetooth auxiliary and USB. Sorry, down there. Twin sunroofs, front one tilts and slides. 6-speed manual diesel. Really, really, really clean car. Superb on the bodywork. Big boot, lovely and clean. We've got a space saver. Actually, it's got a full-size alloy wheel jack and wheel brace. So work. Full-size spare wheel, functional head. Full-size alloy wheel. Yeah, they're new. There's some pads on the back. Daytime LED running lights. Well, daytime running headlamps. Not sure they're LED, but electric mirrors, folding mirrors, electric windows. Driver's seat's not worn out or anything. Nice multi-function steering wheel with cruise control. Bluetooth, climate control, voice control by the looks. 2015 on a 65 4695. Lovely. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. A couple of thousand videos on there you can have a thumb through. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You will be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.